In 2025, building wealth requires new strategies. Here are 5 financial habits to help you level up. First, upgrade your skills. Industries are evolving with AI and automation. Focus on in-demand skills like data analysis, AIML, or cybersecurity to stay competitive. Second, invest wisely. Diversify beyond traditional stocks. Consider index funds, real estate, or cryptocurrency, but always research and assess risks before investing. Third, create multiple income streams. Don't rely on one job. Start a side hustle, freelance, or launch an online business to increase your earning potential. Fourth, practice mindful spending. Track your expenses. Cut unnecessary costs. Differentiate between needs and wants, and save more for investments or emergencies. Finally, adopt a growth mindset. Set clear financial goals, embrace challenges, and believe in your ability to achieve them. Success comes from consistent effort. Which of these habits will you start today? Comment 2025 for a free detailed guide to building wealth this year.